Apo. Bonnie Martinez. I have a fun fact for you. Did you know that the maiden name of the mom of Pope Leo XIV is Martinez? Baka po magkamag-anak po kayo ni Pope. Sigurado na po hindi. I think may possibility po. But the mom of Pope is from Dominican Republic. So, State Deputy Danilo Sanchez. And I would like to also thank Mrs. Sanchez, who so graciously walked with me earlier. Of course, Justice Rene Sarmiento. Justice Reyes. I'm also